take some pictures of before and after. This is with the TV here, which I wanted actually right here. I took down 2 pictures. And over here, the wall needs to be redone again. I'm not happy with it. I'm gonna make this white so it blends in. I'm not happy with the way that wall worked out there. So this is where the big TV is going to go. There's where the 43 inch is going to be going, right there instead of that big TV. Also, I noticed some cracks that I want redone. One here in the roof. Right here. The bathroom behind the toilet I'm going to redo. Not happy with that. And I gotta retouch up all this where blue paint has been spilled. Wrap here. I'm gonna redo that right here and over here. I'm gonna check that out. Why it's bulging and cracked right there. I might have to take a look at the roof itself to see if there's moisture coming through. If it was a big spill, it would have been or leaking, and it would have been marks or browning. I'm not seeing that. It's just like a moisture coming through. I'm going to clean out the room and make this place smell a little better, because right now it smells of just paint. Okay, step 1. I'm going to remove this bracket. I moved the TV already. I put it right there, out of the way. And there's nothing in the fridge anyway. I'm going to remove this bracket. It needs to be repainted, but I can do that with the new bracket on. There's only one coat of paint on this. You can see the bleed through. So I'll have to cut off a piece so I can match the color. This is the bracket that's going to be on it. This way the TV can be turned, pulled out and turned when I want to be able to sit on this stool over here. And this is the new TV that's going to go in. This is the way it is looking underneath when I pull the bracket off. Some of the paint peeled off, so I'll be able to use that for matching the paint properly. So the next step is I'll remove some of these parts and fill the holes. Okay, so far, this is the bracket that's on there. It flips all the different ways, and it's so that TV can be watched from the table, which is I'm going to put right here. Or if they want to watch TV in the kitchen at the same time, like cooking channels or whatever, when cooking from the island here. Okay, this is the next stage. I'm putting the wings on, which actually mount to the TV itself. I'll be able to paint because the brackets come right away from the wall, the TV mount. Okay, I've set up the brackets onto the TV and I've extended it out. Right now it's setting up. I just had the manager pick me up a Google TV because I have a property manager. Okay, this is a fold-out TV stand. This way I'll flip the TV the other way. It can be watched from the table over here or in the kitchen here. The reason for that is I often stop and start when I'm trying recipes. There's a stove right here, an induction stove. This is for the TV in the bedroom. And this is the TV that's going to be on there. This is flipping this stand out. And this is where I'm going to put the tables, right over there by the empty box. This is actually a sitting counter, but if people want to play games that, I'd rather be sitting around a table. This is a TV that was going to be used in this room, and we moved it from the other one. And I used a tile caulking that hardens this, like for cement, because this wall is cement. All these walls are cement. So the repairs down here turned out pretty good. And in the cupboard there. The only part I still have to work on is up there, but I need a special type of plaster. Patching material. Thank you. That's the two bubbles, 1 and 2, that are in the roof. This roof has been replaced. It's a brand new roof. So I think this has been condensation that has come under. I've gone around it, and right there the paper needs to be pulled back as well. I was going to bring some other stuff up from Canada to repair that, but I didn't bring it this time. So I may wait till January. Okay, I took apart the bracket that was from the original shower curtain holder, and then I put the one that keeps falling down, shower curtain, inside those brackets and repaired the wall there and there from the damages. That's where the hole in the wall was, and there was damage along this wall as well. This is a new electronic key entry system that I just installed. So I can actually change it remotely when in Canada, and also monitors someone entering or exiting the property. And you can change the code remotely too. There's lots of paint not covered. So I'm going to touch this up. Okay, this is after. To get rid of the green. Okay, I'm just coming into the condo that was just redone for Jennifer. I've shown that this folds out into 2 beds. It slides in. There was a TV stand right here, but when the TV stand is here, there's no room to walk past the beds. This TV here folds out and back so that you can actually watch it in the kitchen. There's going to be a table right here I haven't set up yet. As storage supplies, washer dryer, a little bit oversized, but it works. The washer and dryer fold right into the cabinet. Fridge. Down there is the microwave. The bathroom. And I've repaired the hole that I've seen back here behind the toilet. And there were 2 holes right here on either side where they had a stand, or the pole had jabbed into the walls. This is like a pocket door. Slides. I'm not liking that the switch is behind, so I'm going to put a little bit of night light in there. Oversized king bed. This is the TV that was set up in the living room. I've put it in here. And I've touched up the ceiling now. A little bit, it looks a little bit cleaner, but and I'd clean up above there and fix up there. The closets are good now. When the bed is folded in, it's used as a day bed or like a couch.